So I've set up the speeder here, and I've decorated the whole floor with these pieces. With these pieces, I can now fix up this. Now I'll use these pieces. And I'll do much the same thing on the other side. And with these pieces, I can finally finish the walkway here. So I've put the basics of this area together, and now I'm going to put red bricks around the edges. Now I've stacked bricks here, and then the next thing to do is to make the surface on top. And of course I need a lot more to cover the whole thing 3 plates high, so that's why I bought all these. So now I'll place them down. Now I've built the second layer here in a way such that I'm not using too many pieces. And now I'll place down the third layer. So I've built footprints here for the walker. So I'll just put the walker on. And this area here is because this used to be there in the movie. Thanks for watching. In the next video, I'll be making a new part to it in between here and here. It's going to be this wide. 1 plate wide, that is. And I'll be making minifigures walking on it, and I'll make it into a battle scene. And I also need to make a cannon here. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you then.